Hey y'all, it is Rain reacting to another song off of Ekoh's Through the Static EP. Once again, huge Ekoh fan with my special hat. Heart Hop Gang forever. This next song is Sad But True, which I have been so excited about because he keeps putting friggin' clips of it in his Insta all the time for months, and I've been waiting for this song for so long. Alright,
Hi, you're Mr. Jordan Right now, we're looking at a mirror. Now watch this. See what I can
oh,
do?
that's through the static. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I never thought of the things in my head to be dangerous. It's probably won't be the only time I can mistake it. Fine, we divide, feel the rise. I can't describe what it is like in my skin, watching everyone ascend. I just need you in my head when I'm calling, but know that I hold on to you when I'm falling. It's you and you know that I need inspiration when I'm taking off of the path that I'm taking. And everybody will leave, but I need you wings to touch the sky. I'll rip them right off of you. It's so true.
Damn it. Okay. Apparently, I'm restarting the song because I don't know how to work my PS4 somehow. I do, but apparently I don't. I'm really enjoying this so far. This is a very. He chose a really nice rhythm that he doesn't usually do. So it's a really interesting feel to it that's different from a lot of his other songs. You can definitely tell it's still really real, because it said it's sad, but it's true. I think it was like I might destroy you, and talked about a lot of the shit that goes through his head and how he says it's fine, and I'm really glad I get to listen to this again. So maybe it was slightly on purpose. It was not. But we can pretend it was. Don't tell anyone that it was not. It's a secret. A really, really bad secret. I'm bad for you. There we go.
I never thought of the things in my head could be dangerous.
I never thought of the things in my head could be dangerous. Some people aren't accustomed to a mind that attacks itself. But it can. It definitely can. And if it suddenly happens, that is also okay. Sometimes some kind of incident, trauma, or just some things happen in your life, some stress happening can lead you down a road that it's gonna affect you in some way. But the mind can definitely be a dangerous place.
It's probably won't be the only time I can mistake it. Fine, we divide, feel the rise. I can't describe what it is like in my skin, watching everyone ascend. I just need.
I can't describe what it's like in my skin. Like, you never totally know what a person is feeling, because even when you've been in a similar situation, people handle things differently. People think about things differently. So always keep that in mind, and always try to keep your mind open.
In my head when I'm calling, but know that I hold on to you when I'm falling. It's you and you know that I need inspiration when I'm taking off of the path that I'm taking. And everybody will leave, but I need you wings to touch the sky. I'll them right off of you.
I need your wings to touch the sky, I'll rip them right off of you. And that can refer to sometimes people know they're toxic to other people, but it's because that person can help them get in a better place. But if someone only gets in a better place by bringing you down, there is an issue with that. Don't just keep taking it. It should be a two-way street. You should both bring each other up, but not bring each other down, or one of you go up because you brought the other down. People are not stepping stools. They're there to be with you and help you along the entire way.
Conversate with devils dealing back in the shadows. When I'm alone, embrace the feeling.
Oof. And you don't see me when I'm alone with devils dealing. Oh, that's such a awesome line. It's true. Like when the freaking shadows are whispering to you, like people don't know it. And you usually don't go around and tell people. So, always just remember you aren't always aware of what people are going through. And people can go through some shit. I'm going to play that one back a little bit if I'm able to without messing it up too much.
Conversate with devils dealing back in the shadows. When I'm alone, embrace the feeling. I'm stealing love from a well that I thought would not run dry, and sold it all to these people who know me half the time. But you don't know me. I just need you and I can't love myself, but I know that I'm bringing you down. And you helping, I'm holding and feel like I've run out of luck when I can't get myself off the ground and I'm stuck in nowhere. Everybody will leave, but I need your wings to touch the sky. I'll rip them right off of you.
Oh, this really is about being toxic to someone else. Oh, it's like I really can't help it. I bring you down, but this is what he's been saying. That bringing you down is what's bringing me up, and it's not. I tapped a well I thought would never run out of love. I just. Ugh. I've been in that position, where someone just they use you for everything you got because you make them feel better, but they still don't want to reciprocate fully, but they'll take what you give them. And if you give them everything, they'll take everything. Okay, I gotta keep going. I got you tied down, baby, this is love, But if you get the chance, run. Oh, man. I'm connected to this too hard. Okay. I might cry later. Ignore that. Shit. You ever just feel something like too deep? Because this is me right now. Too deep. Again, yeah, you can. No matter how much you love someone, don't let them take everything from you. And there's a story that I like to read, and it is a fan fiction. But there's this line in it, and it's something like, his heart was unraveling, and in her efforts to mend his heart back together, she took the strings from her own heart and just unraveled her own. And it's something like that. I don't have it in front of me right now, but it's basically saying that, in her effort to fix him and to make him feel better, she put herself in a really vulnerable place. She broke her own heart, and she tore her own heart and her own feelings apart trying to fix him. And not in a, oh my god, there's something wrong with you, I need to fix this kind of thing, because that is a whole nother bad thing that you should never do to someone. Any improvements they make, they have to want to make. Otherwise, it's not going to happen, and you're just going to drive each other further away. But in terms of, trying to heal someone, if you ignore your own issues just to heal theirs, you're not helping anyone. Because you're just going to put yourself in a lower and lower place until you've lost yourself. And if it's like this, sad but true, they'll never give you that back. So find someone who's gonna give what you give. It should be a 50-50 relationship. And there will be days where it's like 80-20, 90-10, but it shouldn't be every day. And you should get something back. That makes it seem weird. Love's not a business deal, but you can't lose yourself because of love. I don't know. I'm feeling this way too deep. Way too deep. Oh.
I've got you tied down. Baby, this is love. But if you get the chance, run. I just need you in my head when I'm calling, but know that I hold on to you when I'm falling. It's all that I know that I need inspiration when I take it off of the path that I'm taking, and everybody will leave, but I need your wings to touch the sky. I'll rip them right off of you. It's sad, but it's true.
I need your wings to touch the sky. I'll rip them right off of you. Alright, if you're in a position where you feel that song as deeply as I do, I hope for you that there is a way to fix it, that you can discuss and start getting something back before you destroy yourself. But other than that, just remember to take care of yourself, because you can miss a lot of opportunities if you destroy yourself for someone else. And I did end up doing that after one case. I've done this many times because I can't learn a lesson. Third time's a charm, right? Fourth, I don't know. But I don't know. I basically destroyed myself because anytime I would reach out and be like, hey, I'm having a rough time, he would end up in a tangent, or it would remind him of something, and then all of a sudden I wouldn't matter anymore, and I wouldn't care about myself anymore, and I would just be trying to make it so that he wasn't sad anymore, and I'd go through a whole night of just trekking on and making him feel better, and I'd just be left in the same place or a little worse. And by the time someone did come in that would have been the greatest relationship I had, I couldn't do it because I knew that I couldn't commit to seeing him through his struggles right then, because I was too broken at the time. And you can miss out on opportunities like that when you let someone destroy you. Sad but true. It's gonna be on repeat for a while for me. Anytime I connect to a song this deeply, that's what I gotta do. Because it helps you deal. And it helps you remember, you're not alone in this. And you're not. You're not alone in this. That is why I love Ekoh. Heart Hop Forever. About to do cycles. So maybe see you then. If I upload it. Will I?